Hey everyone, welcome back to CantoHousewife. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful heart-melting hot chocolate bombs. Perfect for gifting it to your loved ones. Here is all the ingredient you'll need for the hot chocolate bombs. If you like to use your own homemade chocolate, this is the ratio that I usually do. First, we're going to set up the double boiler. I'm using an electric one, but you can just set up a glass bowl over a pot of boiling water. You can use any chocolate chips of your choice. I love to use milk chocolate because my sons can't eat it, but dark chocolate or white chocolate chip also works. When the chocolate chips are melted, use the back of your spoon to coat the inside of the mold evenly. I'm using a heart shape for Valentine's Day, but you can use the circular one if you like. Make sure you get a nice thick layer so the shell don't break. I made it with two of my little Valentines, so I gotta feed them some of the melted chocolate when it's cooled down a little bit. Cover the mold with saran wrap and then place the mold in the fridge for about 30 minutes for it to set. Once it's set, gently remove them from the mold. For the leftover melted chocolate, I just put it in a piping bag for decoration and to seal the chocolate bombs. Now is the fun part. Fill half of your chocolate shell with 1 teaspoon of milk powder in case you want to add it to hot water or coffee. About 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix. I'm using Milo. You can also add extra like crushed peppermint, caramel bits, mini marshmallow, or a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. To seal our chocolate bomb, I'm just using the melted chocolate. Drizzle it over the edge of the filled shell and then flip the empty shell over and close it. Hold it for a few seconds until it's set. You can also seal the chocolate bomb by gently melt the edges of the empty shell on a warm plate and then press it onto the other half. I just don't like doing dishes, so I'm just doing this way, which is easier. To decorate it, I love to drizzle the extra melted chocolate on top. Put it back in the fridge and let it set for at least 30 minutes. Isn't this perfect for Valentine's Day? Now is the best part. Warm up a cup of milk and then place the bomb in there. Look at this melt like magic and just give it a little stir and you will have a very nice sweet Valentine's hot chocolate. The chocolate is so rich and absolutely perfect for a cozy Valentine's night. Let me know in a comment if you'd like to make more of these for your Valentine. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipe. I'll see you in the next video.